and I just wanted to talk a little bit about my thoughts and feelings through this pandemic with my team. And when I was tasked with this assignment to come up with a word that embodied how this last year went, the one word that keeps coming to the forefront of my mind is trust. And what I mean by trust is that we went through so much together, and luckily we had such a good team between the respiratory therapists, the CNAs, the nurses, of course, and then the residents and fellow physicians here. And we already worked really well together. The nurses and I and the respiratory therapists get along so well. Whenever I'm asking them to do something slightly out of normal, they usually comply because they know I'm going to be there to make sure things are going okay.
The word that comes to mind when I think about my team and the previous year that we had is, well, a lot of words, but the specific one is collaboration. And I chose that word because collaborating with the other team members and physicians and nurses to advocate for patients and say like, hey, maybe I can take a couple of these tasks off your hands, or let me help you. Let me hang that new bag of Levophed for you, or get that Zoom call started on a patient who needs to say goodbye to their family because they potentially will be losing their life soon. So collaborating with each other to get tasks done, and then noticing, when somebody's drowning and needs that collaboration.
When asked to come up with a word to describe my team during the pandemic, my word I would use is harmonious. What I mean by that is that we were so in sync together as a team between the doctors, the nurses, the respiratory therapists, the CNAs, the physical therapists, all of us, we just were so in sync together. We communicated very well together just to take care of the patients.
Okay, the word for our unit is unity. We all came together as a team and united to help each other when we were having difficult times. We came together.
I could not have done it without all of the physicians and nurses and respiratory therapists and CNAs and all of the lovely people that I get to work with every day.
I just want to thank each and every one of you, the doctors, the nurses, the other RTs, the CNAs, the physical therapists, all of us that worked so hard during this COVID-19 pandemic to take the best care of our patients.
Thank you so much for helping us and helping me and each one of us go through this difficult time.